I'm Rick Lees. Welcome to another episode of CADDY TV. CADDY is well known in the electrical and plumbing industries as providing all the support hardware you could possibly need. We're also growing in the fire and seismic industries as well. What a lot of people don't realize is we're heavy in the duct business as well. Is that all you got? Seriously? Whoa! Now we got the ducks in a row out of the way. We talk about it, supporting duct work, not ducts. We have a variety of different ways to do it, but the real smart way to do it would be with a CADDY SpeedLink. We have 44-pound, 100-pound, and 200-pound rated cable assemblies. This is our standard version with a hook on one end. They all come with our SLK locking device. They work very simply for the installation of the locking device. There's an arrow on each one, tells you which direction to slide the cable. Goes in one side, around whatever it is you're going to support. In this case, we're talking about round duct. Back through the other side. You've got your hook snapped onto a CADDY bang-on clip or in a beam clamp or whatever. And that's the standard version. As you can see, we have a variety of other options available. Shot fire pins already attached, bang-on caddies already attached, loop hangers. It's very versatile. Some of the things that you can do with the CADDY SpeedLink that you can't do with the competitors, you can actually attach one side to a bar joist or whatever, another one to the other side of the bar joist, and actually just lay the round duct in the sling. You can also do a single point drop with the ductwork in like a lasso. They're really, really fast. No need for gloves, really. As I mentioned, tons of ed fittings, including very new is like a wedge anchor. Just drill a hole in your concrete deck, put the wedge anchor in, tighten it down, and your cable's already there to support your round duct. We also have a few items for heavy-duty duct, but we'll talk about that at another time. Very traditional would be using a commercial strap and strap hanger. We have bang-on versions. We have clamp-on versions. We have right angles. We have more right angles. We have straight. Variety of ways to do it. You know, it works very well. It's cumbersome and a little slow. You've got to support the weight of the duct while you run your screws through the strap to hold it in place. So this is CADDY duct support, strap hangers, SpeedLink. We actually even sell plumbing duct, plumbing tape